Do you have to have insurance for a boat? In case you attain issues, simply you'll be able to do so. It will be the proper selection if you'll be able to get the cheap boat insurance. Get your own cheap boat insurance as quickly as achievable even when you're not making use of your motorboat or simply sitting around the docks. Your motorboat is definitely an investment and you need to produce certain that it can be covered. It is like a house or perhaps a vehicle. It is an asset plus it certainly requires insurance. In an untimely incident you may well want it being covered. You can simply secure cheap boat insurance by heading online. Because in the need for insurance policies suitable now you are going to understand that you are just a person in a millions of investors that are considering of investing their hard-earned money in insuring their boat. So in case you head out to the available drinking water altogether you're all included. That is what they say about insurance policies. It is greater that you simply have it and not will need it than need to have it but not have it. There are quite a few cheap boat insurance quotes to select from. These websites contribute a great deal towards public who really wants to insure their boat mainly because they quite very much get a notion of how significantly this move will expense them. They will see a preview within the ideas obtainable. The ideal insurance coverage providers are those which have no qualms in stating the costs from the options they offer their purchasers and their possible purchasers. An insurance policy provider is great in their field if they acquire a high rating on their overall performance as being a provider. Remarks from customers are also a crucial factor. You will most likely see web links to the web page of the insurance plan companies when you look into cheap boat insurance quotations. Try to click for the mentioned links to see comments from buyers. Don't ever ask yourself if discount rates are given out using the cheap boat insurance simply because the assessments gives you a notion on how it was offered. Comparing other strategies will give you options on what to have. With this you are able to get the most beneficial offer in a lower cost than having it at a regular selling price. The income that will be conserved acquiring the cheap boat insurance is usually allocated to other items. You can use this to acquire one thing for the motorboat.